Sasha, where are you going?
Kayaking.
Okay.
Time to push this little girl in.
Remember your survival float in case you flip over.
You have to be balanced to not flip over, Sasha.
Okay, stay close, Sasha. Stay close.
Bye-bye.
All right. Sasha, turn them in your hand a little bit. Turn that in your hand a little bit. Turn it more. No, hold on, Sasha. Turn it in your hand. You're not holding it right yet. There you go. Good. Good. Now you're ready. Wait. Turn it a little more. Just turn it. Good.
Do you think alligators live in here, Sasha?
Now use the other one. Don't go out too far today until you get practiced. Are there alligators?
We want to know. Where are the alligators? Are they What is wrong with you people? You're doing very good, Sasha. Dad, you know that you should go on in circles?
Yeah, but she's having fun. Sasha, try to come back this way.
I want to go next. Come on. Come on. I want to get a little something for my She's weird.
Good, Sash. You're figuring it out. Hey, but you're holding those paddles a little backwards. Turn them a little bit. Turn them.
My feet are sinking.
There, now you're good. That's it. Hold them just like that.
My feet were sinking in these ugly waters. Look how ugly these waters are.
Ooh. And Sasha, if you fall in, remember your survival float. You remember how to do it?
I don't want to fall in water.
Don't fall in. Mm-hmm. Push off. Good. Push yourself back out. Good. Put your hands in the middle, Sash. When Sasha's done, we're going to let her go a little more.